I'm in the heart of Baba, and in this area. So guys, I ran into my childhood friend. We lost our contacts.
We have our contacts.
This is where I grew up. I usually come down to this place almost every week. Guys, I will be going to Aba this morning, and it's going to be a road trip. Those days, the early 2000s, and since then, I'm in the heart of Aba, and in this area, this is where fabrics are sold. Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm still in the village. Let's do some weather check. It's 23 degrees and it's going to be sunny as usual around here. That's my dad's house, and this is my oldest brother's house. My own place would be at the back of the house down there. So guys, I will be going to Aba this morning, and it's going to be a road trip. So my parents have been living, they have moved back finally since 2020 after they retired, and they are here. And this is while we always come back home because we have to visit them all the time. So I'm from here, I head to any part of the world. So this is also the main reason why I would always be in the village, you know. Though even if they are no more, I'll still be here. I'm in the heart of Baba, and in this area, this is where fabrics are sold. All types of fabrics, you will find them here, and different people from different places come here. Especially the people that you see coming to shop in Aba are most people in the northern part of Nigeria and other neighboring cities here in Nigeria. It is known for places where you could get all types of fabrics. So guys, I ran into my childhood friend. We lost our contacts.
We have our contacts together.
No, we lost contact. We fell apart due to one thing or the other. But he was the least person I think that I will run into. We grew up in the same area. We were hanging out every day, sharing ideas.
Business.
Whatever, yeah, we can share our feelings and stuff like that. But in real time, I'm just showing. His name is Prince Will. We were hanging out every day. We lived in the same neighborhood. My childhood friend, and we were hanging out. So, guy, it's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you, man.
The least person I could, yeah. So, and he's when I started making shirts, he was the first guy I contacted. And because he has been into this for a while, I was into this a long time, and I left it. Then when I restarted, he has joined, and I had to reach out to him. So it went the way it went. That is life. But finally, we still met in the same area. We are still in the same business and making clothes and making people look healthy. So you know where I sell my stuff, and the right place to meet him, you know, is still in the fabric area. So guys, I'm happy to run into him after many years. Cheers. When was the last time we met? That should be around 2012. 2012 when I came back. That was the last time. No, we met in 2013. 2012, 2013. So the last time I saw him, was in 2013. So guys, 10 years ago, less than 10 years when I saw him. So he has grown.
And he's looking more bigger.
He has grown now, and you know, we have added some weight, and we have added some weight as well. So yeah, so guys, I'm happy to see him, and we have to rekindle. We have to start up from where we stopped. That is life, and everything goes on. So we are alive. No one is perfect. All right. So guys, nice place to meet him, and where he started, and all these things. What?
We are still here.
Yeah, we are still. You will still be here forever, and I wish you more success, and I wish your fabrics and your products to go global.
Yeah.
So we want everyone to succeed, and we have to carry everyone along, and we have to focus on quality. So there's something I would want to ask you. What kind of challenges have you been facing since you started making shirts and different kind of fabrics? Raise your voice so my friends will hear what you're saying.
Our challenges out here has has been sorting out the fabrics and exchange, the everyday exchange, the process of getting fabrics and variety. Apart from that, we've been good. We've been struggling lately for the past 10 years trying to make our businesses being organized in Nigeria and away from here. But so far so good. We've made an inch and we've been selling farther than this.
Yeah.
And we're going other places. So we're glad we're pushing. Nigerian goods are selling and the fabric is going far.
So I believe the shirt he's wearing here, he made it. So guys, you can still patronize him. I will still ask him to drop his contact, because what I do here is that although I make shirts, but at the same time we have to pull each other up at the same time. So, and the fabrics that you're unable to find in Aba, there is no other place that you'll be able to find the fabrics. So for all types of fabrics, you would always come to Aba and just get it. If you are still watching at this point, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Heading to a place where I will have to go eat. So guys, I'm still in the city, and the Aba market where we buy different kind of fabrics. I'm still here in Aba, and if you can see in the surroundings, all the things you need to buy, all the materials are here. Whatever you need, you are getting it here in Aba. So this is where I grew up. I usually come down to this place almost every week. Almost every week I usually come down here. Those days, the early 2000s, and since then I come here sometimes once a year because I buy all the fabrics I need down here. So I'm heading to a place where I will have to go eat. Mine. Oh, it looks so nice. Intestines, plantain, rice and beans and stuff. Let me just see. Super. This is a very busy area, and they start selling from 6 in the morning until 6 in the evening. And when you're crossing the roads down here, you have to be very careful. There are no traffic rules around here, and here no one cares about you. You really have to be smart on how to navigate things down in Aba. You can see a lot of people are shopping. They are buying different kinds of fabrics, and all the fabrics you could get for shirts, for females, and for kids. Different types of fabrics that you will get here for your upholsteries and all the things. So I'm heading up down there to meet my tailor. I hope he will deliver today. His name is Chibest. So these sections are the places for curtains, all types of curtains and bed sheets. You will get them around here. Wherever you find yourself, any type of curtains and curtain accessories, they are being sold here in all the shops. What is the one thing that you want to change in Aba?
Okay, generally in Africa as a whole, we see have these struggles of trying to get the right products and the right stuffs coming in. And when they come in a very high rate, where we cannot be able to access them easily. So what we want to change around here, for instance, trying to get the people's mindset in the business, then trying to make sure our government helps us to get the right infrastructure around, more especially power, to be able to help us with our machines, to give us good outcomes with our works.
Okay, apart from the challenges, can you just share any success that you have recorded since you started making shirts for the people?
Okay, a lot of them, a lot of success we've shared. We easily export our clothes out and we get the best fabrics and finishes around there. Our brand has grown globally, in the sense that from anywhere in Nigeria at any point we can be able to reach out through easy courier services and other people around us. Then our job has generally gone better, neater, and production-wise, we're doing great.
So guys, what you can see here is that there are lack of employment. We have lack of employment in Nigeria, and what the youths of Nigeria have done is we have taken it by ourselves to create employment for ourselves and be our own bosses and be into entrepreneurship. So this is why you have to patronize Prince Will and his friends, and also patronize the people who sell here in Aba. Whatever you see here, that we all the clothes you see laying down here, once they are torn, they will look super great, and it is something that will be enviable. So guys, I would sign off with Prince Will, and we'll just talk off camera, and once this is up, I hope you have to support him. Could you just tell my friends your phone number so that they can contact you directly as well?
The brand is Webputo on Instagram and on Facebook, Webputo. Then our easiest contact is 080-8843-7785.
Okay guys, whenever you come to him, just refer that it is through me that you have reached to him, so he would be able to deliver and give you good quality. All right, so I will see you guys soon. Thanks.